Number 1. Due to the fact that so many people miss and cancel their flights on a regular basis, most airlines will oversell their flights.
Flying somewhere?
This guarantees the likelihood that the flight will be as full as possible. However, what happens if everyone shows up for their flight?
You don't want to.
Well, that's not an ideal situation, so the gate agent will start asking for volunteers to move to a later flight.
Any volunteers?
If nobody volunteers right away, they will start incentivizing it. They will offer things like hotel stays, transportation, or other rewards, and if nobody takes those offers, they will start offering you flight vouchers and even cash.
Great! Cash!
They will offer increasing values until somebody takes that offer. So if you have some travel flexibility and you want to roll the dice a little bit, wait around. Just remember though, this reward only goes to the first person who accepts the offer. Number 2. Did you know the airport has semi-secret security checkpoints?
Secret.
These are found at airports that have a hotel inside the airport. The hotel often has their own security checkpoint. Now, the normal passenger is not going to see them walking through the airport. These checkpoints are inside the hotel lobby. Most of the time, they are pretty empty because only hotel guests use them. But here's the thing. You don't have to be a hotel guest to use them.
No way.
Just walk through the lobby. It's a good option if you are running late to your flight. Also, as a bonus tip, if the terminals are connected at your airport, just choose the checkpoint at the lesser used terminal. No need to go to the busiest one.
Why are we doing this?
Number 3. Personal belongings are stolen out of people's luggage more often than you would think. Like the Southwest employee who stole 5 guns from a passenger's bags at a Missouri airport.
You did what?
If you have to check your luggage, you are going to want to get a lock and put it on it. Almost every suitcase these days comes with a TSA lock. The TSA recommends that you lock your checked baggage with a TSA-approved lock. Some people suggest to wrap your belongings in plastic wrap to deter tampering and to notice if anybody was messing with your items.
Stop messing with my stuff, all right? You and the...
Number 4. Let's talk about upgrades. Most airlines will only give upgrades to gold and platinum type members.
Oh, fancy.
And usually only to help with overbooking. Just because you see an empty seat in business class doesn't mean it's up for grabs. It could be something as simple as a broken seat, or because the business class meals are ordered ahead of time. You can request an upgrade while on board, but it's rarely available to just anyone, and they're rarely free.
That sucks.
Number 5. If you are booking tickets for a group and you want to save a little money, you will want to buy those tickets individually. When you purchase the tickets together, you will usually get all of the tickets at the highest price, even if some of the seats were actually cheaper to begin with.
It's a raw deal.
But if you buy them individually, you will get the actual price of each seat. The downside is that you might not be sitting together, although you can sometimes choose your seats at check-in. Also, if the flight gets canceled, you aren't guaranteed to be rebooked on the same flight.
It's not worth it.
If you are buying tickets for a large group like 10 or more, you should contact the airlines for a group fare, which is lower than the standard fare.
Care to comment?